Hi, my name is Tony Flamia, and today we're going to talk about the WorxAudio TrueLine Grid. This can be used in both a flown and ground stack configuration. Right now we have it set up as a flown configuration, and we'll go through how to actually attach it to the box. A couple differences from the previous grid is our ovaled out connection. So as you notice, it actually pins a lot easier with our upgraded pins. We also have a stored away bar for ground stacking, and later on we'll show you how to do that. The XL1 has a 4-point mounting system. It allows us to securely fasten it to a grid in either a ground stack or flying application. As you'll notice, the holes on the front pins are ovaled out, so as you're dropping them down, they don't have a lot of tension, so they're easily removed. On the back, you'll see there's a fixed opening and a slot. When we're flying the boxes, we're going to use the slot and not the fixed opening. That's for ground stacking. So to put the grid on top of the box, we simply bring the box up, set it over the two front pin openings, set it down, and then the back bar is actually going to go into the slot. On the back, it'll say pin into slot to fly. Now that we have the grid set up in a flown configuration, we have a couple options to fly it. You have shackle points on the side, there's 4 points for that, and then in the center you have multiple rigging points for our female adapter. Okay, now we're going to set the grid up for ground stack. We're going to take the bar out and we're going to go back to this mounting point. On the bar there's 3 degrees. There's a 0, a 5, and a 10. We're going to mount that to the back, let it rest, put these pins back in, and again, we make sure that the single opening goes into the grid. Okay, now that we've placed the XL1 on top of the grid and pinned the 2 front pins, we have a couple options on the rear. Right now, I have it set at a 10-degree down splay. On the bar, you see a 0, 5, and 10. When you place the pin in the 10 spot on 0 on the speaker, you're going to be 10 degrees down, and then 5 degrees, and then flat. To place the bar, you simply raise it up, put in the pin, and you're done. The consecutive speaker will do the same thing. When you're looking at the degrees, you'll notice that it has 0 through 12. This doesn't mean that you're going all the way up to 12 degrees. This has 10 degrees at 1 degree increments. But when you're ground stacking, 2 is actually 0. When you're flying, it actually just goes up to 10. And that was the WorxAudio TrueLine Grid. If you have any questions, visit WorxAudio.com.